Hi, I'm Stephen Adele, President, Troy Lighting. I'd like to talk to you today about our new Revolution collection. The Revolution collection was inspired by the steampunk movement. We're using structural rebar material, which is tapered and formed into a nice rotating motion combined with smooth surfaced metal as well as hammered metal to give the fixture a tremendous amount of motion, excitement. We illuminated the collection with an early electric carbon filament lamp in the shape of a test tube. To give the fixture an artful and steampunk termination, we decided to use a series of gears constructed out of cast aluminum and designed to resemble an early flywheel. Revolution is available in a variety of pendant sizes as well as wall sconces. The Revolution collection not only illuminates, but is a beautiful piece of functional art that makes a statement in any room. An industrial looking product that has a lot of fun and art and sculpture combined. The Revolution is terminated by the use of gears, very popular in the steampunk movement, and it gives the fixture a really defining, artful termination. Revolution is crafted from solid rebar material, which is a structural material, but gives it a tremendous amount of texture and detail. We taper the ends for a really sharp termination. In addition, we use some flat material as well as hammered material with a hand-formed center column on the bottom of the fixture as well as the top, and with a stem to chain construction.